How to enable call recording on your Android device. In this short video, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how you can enable call recording on your Android device. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, what you need to do is you need to open up the settings app on your mobile device, and then go ahead and in the search bar at the top, click on this search icon, and then do a search for call record. And now, depending on which country you're in or which region you're in, you may or may not have this option available to you on your mobile device. As you can see, I don't actually have the option available to me, but if you're in a region that allows call recording, then what you can do is just do a search for call record, tap on that option, and then follow the instructions. If, like me, you're in a region where you're not able to record calls or you don't have that option on your mobile devices, what you need to do is just head over to the Play Store and here do a search for call recording Android device. Call recorder for Android. So tap on that option. And then there are a number of different apps that allows you to record your calls on your Android device. So you can just tap on any of them, download and install them on your mobile device, and then try them out and see if they work for you. But please ensure that when you're doing this, that recording calls in your area is legal. You're not going to get yourself in trouble. And that's what it takes to enable call recording on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.